All right, so today we're gonna bring some very loose shirts, if you guys can see that. It's made for guys like me, you know, a little bit hefty in certain areas. They're flexible, they're breathable because they're made of a different material mesh that has a bunch of little holes in it. So for hot days like today, you wanna come on summer, this is a perfect shirt for you guys. And like I said, the material is flexible. And like if you're, you know, over the 200 pounds just like I am, this is a perfect way to bring it out here. It actually feels a lot better, especially on hot days when you're sweating. You want to sweat in the wrong parts. Well, this is actually going to help you evaporate the actual sweat. Very simple for summer. You could use this for swimming, outdoor events, or indoor events. They have different sizes and colors. So hope you guys enjoy the video. So they have different sizes and colors. So blue is a little lighter for me. So if you ever want to enjoy your day outdoors, the shirts come in different sizes and colors. Very flexible, easy to wear, easy to enjoy the day for a hot day like today. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.